In today's video, we're going to be using Pythagorean's theorem to calculate distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane. All right, so when we're going to graph, in the first example, we're going to graph negative 2, 9, which is 1, 2, 3, left from the middle, left 2, up 9. So that's my point, negative 2, 9. Okay. And then 6, negative 3. So that means from the middle, you go right 6, down 3. All right. We can't tell the distance between those 2 points by just connecting it with the line. So what we have to do is make a right triangle. Boom. Boom. Then use Pythagorean's theorem, because with our right triangle, we have a right angle right here. Right across the right angle is the hypotenuse. So we're trying to figure out our C. We know what our legs are, right? Let's count up the number of blocks for our legs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 blocks is one of my legs, and the other one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my other leg. So Pythagorean's theorem, 12 squared plus 8 squared. I don't like that 8. Equals C squared. 144 plus 64 is C squared. 144 plus 64 is 208. To get rid of a square, square root both sides. Oh, I want a red. Square root of 208 is about 14.4. So the length of this hypotenuse right here is about 14.4. So fairly simple, and actually the blocks are there to help you to figure out what the lengths of the legs are, and then you're just solving for the hypotenuse. In all of these problems, you're solving for the hypotenuse. All right. So you're not solving for the legs when you're putting them on a coordinate plane. So it's always going to be C squared that you're trying to figure out. Let's look at a word problem. Missy rides her bike 8 miles south. That means down 8. And 14 miles east to visit her friend, Leah. What is the shortest distance between Missy's house and Leah's house? Look at this. We have a right triangle. Hypotenuse, there's my right angle. 8 and 14 are my legs. This is my hypotenuse. So you have 8 squared plus 14 squared is C squared. 64 plus, I don't know why I did that in the calculator, 196. Same thing with that one. Add them together is 260. Take the square root, both sides, and you get C is about, let's see, I don't think it's a square or perfect square, 16.1. So C is about 16.1. How many feet? Is it feet? Miles. There we go, miles. So this is about 16.1 miles. So again, we're applying Pythagorean theorem to a coordinate plane using the same concepts as we've done before to figure out what the length of the hypotenuse is. If you have questions in class, please let me know. Thank you for watching today's video.